Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters who use my content and titles while wearing cat ads or trolls. I am the only official and real, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes, and I apologize, my voice is going. And about 2 hours ago, I had a video conference with a doctor in San Francisco. I have symptoms of a respiratory infection, but they want me to go over to San Francisco to their respiratory department that's been set up separately from normal to make sure that I'm all right. He says, I think you've just got a respiratory infection. I have a sore throat. My throat is swollen. I'm coughing, but nothing's coming up. My eyes are burning. I keep having headaches, and the spot where it hit my head while we were on video conferencing, spike of pain like you wouldn't believe went through my head, and my joints are aching and all that. So he says, stay at home, but I got to go out and get Tylenol and Motrin. I don't have any in the house. And the iPad is ready, and I will show you the new slide, the new Escape from Martinez slide. There you go, on the iPad. I found a way with a free program to transfer pictures from the Mac to the iPad and to put some music on here, but it's all unfortunately copyrighted music. So I will be going out and filming something. And it's despicable what they're doing on the Democratic side to block money going to Americans. They're whining about how it's going to go to companies. So some of these companies are going to fail like the airlines because they have no reserve of cash. All right. This is Burgh unboxing. And here we go. The first item. And I'll do two separate Burgh unboxings. This just came in the door a few minutes ago. I thought the rampaging hordes were trying to come in. And we have some fly traps. And maybe I could put one out for trolls outside. So this is super powerful glue fly traps, double-sided, indoor and out. Remove the protective cover, hang the fruit fly trap, and capture the annoying pests. I wonder if I glued enough of these together, would this make a giant troll trap? I don't know. Environmentally friendly and disposable. Now, the Palmolive was sent yesterday. After I poured boiling vinegar and salt and baking soda down the drains, the level of flies has decreased immensely by about 80%, I would guess. And I blocked the drain in the bathroom sink with a stopper. And it's interesting. The Dawn was killing them, but not as much. This stuff, when they hit the suds, they're dying. Something in that Palmolive suds, they land on it and they're dead. I don't know, they choked to death or what. So let's see what's in here. If I can figure out how to open it. Okay. And there is and I thank the person that sent this, and you have these sheets. And and the Safeway here has asked people in Martinez not to bring these. They're concerned about health issues, and they will give you plastic bags. And the only problem with that is whenever I go into Safeway and want a plastic bag under normal circumstances, we're out of plastic bags. Do you like paper? And no, they break. Put too much stuff on, they break on the way home. So, and we should commend our doctors, nurses, technicians, janitors, first responders, and the people working in our stores to keep us fed and with other items. Okay, this hangs up a little hole, and you peel it off, and you take the tie wraps and you hang them on something. And there's a removable thing here that's for the stickiness. So that's how this works. There's 20 sheets of this, so this ought to work well. And I thank the person who sent it. So I will hang one of these by the sink when I'm done with the second video, and we'll see how these work. and see if I can, because they're flying. That's probably, they don't have really hooks for this stuff, but they're hanging around my stove, they're hanging around the microwave, and they're definitely hanging around the sink. So, but there are less of them. I'm going to go out and get some apple cider vinegar. They like that, and maybe I get a small box of sugar or something. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. I'll keep you advised of my health issues, and stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.